Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you one more secret trick by which you can earn a good amount of money daily on internet. All you need to do is nothing, like literally nothing. Suppose if I'll tell you that you will get paid for watching YouTube videos, how that sounds? Obviously great, because daily we watch numbers of videos on YouTube, and if you are getting paid for watching those videos, that will be a very wonderful thing. So today I'm going to share a very different kind of trick by which you can earn money just by watching videos on YouTube. So without further ado, let's go to the video section and how does it work. I'm gonna tell you. So guys, please make sure to hit like button and subscribe to my channel. So guys, so how does it work? All you need to do is first open this site, add me fast. Yeah, add me fast, open this site, and guys, it's for free. Just after opening this site, just click on try for free now. Okay, so just click on try for free now, and here it will ask you to register your email, a unique password, re-enter password, and obviously if you're not a robot, just sign up. And after signing up, the page that will be visible to you will be like let me show you. Let me just log in from my account and I will show you. Yeah, so after login, you can see this will be the home page that you will be able to see. So basically, first let me tell you that how this works. So this works on an exchange system. Suppose everyone is going to pay you not just for watching YouTube video, but they will pay you in exchange of Facebook likes, Facebook shares, Facebook followers, or these kind of things. For all these things that you can see here, YouTube likes, YouTube videos, TikTok like, TikTok followers. So suppose if I'm a normal person, I want few number of likes. Suppose I want 100 likes on my picture, and I will pay you $5 for 100 likes. So how about that? So this site works like this. So let me tell you how this will work step by step. All you need to do is, after signing up, just come to this home page, then go down and go to YouTube views. Okay, after clicking on YouTube views, you will see this. You will be paid 40 points for watching 150 seconds video. Guys, you will be getting 40 points for watching 150-second video. I will show you proof just right now. Look, I have 240 points, as you can see here, and after watching this 150-second video, I'll get 40 points. So just click on view video, and automatically a new window will be open and a YouTube video will start to play. So let me just pause, let me just fast track this video and I'll show you. Let this video start, and as you can see here, the timer is already working. Okay, as you can see, 22 seconds it's already passed. So that's how it works. After watching this video for 150 seconds, you will be able, you will get the points that is promised here. Like you will get 40 points for 150 seconds. So guys, it's already 143 seconds passed and video is playing in background, obviously. And as it was said that I'll be getting 40 extra points for watching this video like this. Look, the page automatically refreshed and I got 40 points. Now I have 280 points, so I can do this thing again. Okay, so that's how it works. So now I have 280 points. So now the question comes that what I will do after getting these points. How can these points can be converted into real money? So guys, I'm going to tell you this trick right now. Just look, all you have to do, just open this site, player up. Yes, open the site playerup.com. So basically this site works. This site is a marketplace where you can sell Facebook likes, you can sell Facebook followers, you can sell Facebook shares, you can sell YouTube views, likes, and all that things. So all you need to do is just open playerup.com. Now come down, and here you will find a tab called all other games and marketplaces. Just click on this tab and a page will open where you will find all the list like this. Like here you can see, just click on F letter and a new page will open. yeah, so here you can find Facebook under F bar. Just open the Facebook option. So basically this site works on the like, share, this kind of things. So here the page is opening. So guys, as you can see, there are many tabs open here, like Facebook commenting, Facebook followers, Facebook friends, buy, sell, Facebook group members. So you will be getting paid for all these kind of steps. Like for suppose I'm going for Facebook likes, so I'll get, basically this is a marketplace where you can see the rate that people are paying for Facebook likes. People are getting paid for giving Facebook likes. Like here, as you can see, $15 for 100 Facebook likes. So this guy is charging $15 for 100 Facebook likes. This guy is charging 250 likes for $15. So suppose you can list yourself here by just signing up here. So suppose after signing up, you can register yourself for selling Facebook likes, for selling Facebook shares, for selling YouTube views, YouTube likes. So after registering here, you will post your own price that you suppose you want $10 for 100 Facebook likes. So after registering, suppose someone comes to you and after clicking on buy now, the customer will give you a photo. So basically all you need to do is just take the URL from that video. Yes guys, just take the URL from that video, of that photo or of that video, and just come to add me fast and then click on add site / page. So here just select the option, like here is Facebook likes. Suppose some Facebook photo is there and you are getting paid for giving likes on that Facebook photo. Just copy that URL, give any title, like I'm going to give Apple, and after giving title, just paste the URL right here. After pasting the URL, just save the changes. So after saving, like here you can see there is CPC. CPC is like cost, or you can say points to. Suppose you are assigning 10 points. So this 240 will be divided by 10 and the number of likes will be given on that post. So guys, this is how it works. All you need to do, I'm just summing up all the things, all you need to do is just create an account on AdMeFast, earn points by watching online videos. And guys, one more thing, after you sign up on AdMeFast, you will get a confirmation link on your Gmail account. So after getting this link, just click here to confirm and automatically this page will appear on your laptop or desktop. So after earning points by watching YouTube videos, just list yourself on playerup.com by signing up and fix a rate for suppose $10 for 100 Facebook likes. Like here you can see this guy is offering 100 Facebook likes for $15. So after listing yourself in playerup.com, so someone will come and ask you for 100 likes on their Facebook photo. All you need to do is just take the URL of that photo and come to add site / page, and in type select Facebook like, give any kind of title, just paste the URL of that page of that post, change the CPC point. Suppose you are changing this point to 24 and this 24 will divide by 240, so you will get 24 likes on that photo. So the more the point you earn, the more likes you can offer someone and the more money you can earn from the points earned. And guys, one more thing, like this here you can see there's a referral link of yourself, so you will be getting 999 points after per successful referral. So that is insane. You can earn a good amount of points and you can convert your points into real cash, real money. So guys, this is the very easy technique to earn money online just by doing nothing. So guys, make sure to hit like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be posting these kind of very simple tricks and tips to earn money just by sitting at home. Thank you guys.